Welcome to the first episode of Installation Insiders with the Your Crawlspace team. I'm HB, this is Benny. We want these videos to be a resource for our contractors, and we want them to help our customers understand what the Your Crawlspace system is all about. Today we're going to run through a high-level overview of the Your Crawlspace system and what core components make it up. Benny, can you tell us a little bit more about the system and how the core components work together?
Yeah, we've got an adhesive-based application, no holes in the foundations, guaranteed attachment. This adhesive will attach to our wall attachment tape and our wall curtain, and both of those are extremely important. They'll address any substrate, any height of wall in a foundation or crawl space. We have a number of tapes. They're made for the application, whether it's wet, dry, rough, smooth. And our ground liners range from 8 mil to over 100 mil products. So we have a wide variety of applications for your crawl space.
For more episodes of Installation Insiders, visit our website or give us a call today to speak with a Crawlspace expert.